Shit. Welcome back to another vlog. Today, I'm actually riding with all the KTM group. It's an urban escape ride towards Vandri Lake, and we are all just lining up now. There's a lot of KTM, all varieties of KTM models are here, you know, Adventure, Duke 390, even the new one with the cruise control one. And there are few non-KTM riders also. So this Vandri Lake is towards Palghar, Manur side, and I think we might face a lot of traffic today. It's Sunday as usual. It's raining heavily for quite a while. I mean, Mumbai has been given orange alert. I'm riding after 2 or 3 weeks because I've been caught up with a lot of work, and I just thought, if I was not willing to go also today, but I just forced myself to, okay, you have not gone any ride and it's Sunday. So considering all these factors, I woke up at around 4:30. We were supposed to push off by around 6, but unfortunately we are pushing off at around 7:30. We are delayed by 1.5 hours. It's not like we have to do anything. It's a very short ride because total round trip will be around 100 kilometers. Still, because we had a lot of KTM groups from different areas, like we assembled at Mira Road, and then there was KTM group from Goregaon side. Few KTM group from Vasai side will also be joining us. So a lot of people. I mean, any bike group, it's not just like that. Any bike company like KTM, BMW, they all conduct such kind of rides, to motivate other riders, to motivate, it's also an added value to sell their products, sell their bikes. Because we get to meet different riders, different people who understands the bike, who has a good amount of experience with the bike, and you get to know how the bike performs. Go. I don't mind going very fast ahead, but it's always better. I just want to ride comfortably, peacefully, so I always decide to stay back in the tail, because I don't want to go on a very high speed. I don't like leading the group as well. Sometimes I do like marshalling, but not leading. You have to, if one wrong move, you take the whole group to the wrong side. So I don't like that. I don't want to take that much amount of responsibility. So it's always better to do marshalling or be at the tail. I mean, tail is always the best option, because you always make sure that no one gets left behind, and that basically becomes one of your responsibility to do that. And it's always better, because sometimes what happens is, like, there might be a little bit of breakdown as such, and which the lead or the other group might not be aware of. Anyway, I got myself a new gloves. This is the Rida gloves, and today is the first time that I'm breaking in on this gloves. So let's see how it performs. I was using the Tivra gloves now, but I switched to Rida because it's more comfortable also. I mean, this is not waterproof though, but this is water resistant. So in rains you can easily manage. But if you want to go towards mountain, hilly areas, not wherein there's a huge amount of rainfall, or to a cold place, I would suggest you to go get a waterproof gloves. This whole road is very, very slippery. I have to be very careful while riding, and it's raining also, so I'm taking extreme precaution. I don't want to okay. I wanted to go to Wandri Lake for a very long time. I was asking my friends to go along with, but they have their own busy schedule, so I don't want to disturb them. And I never got an opportunity. I didn't want to go alone also because I don't know the place very well, how to go, where to go. So once I got a WhatsApp message from the KTM group saying that they are planning for a urban escape ride towards Wandri Lake, I was like, okay, let's go. See, I'm trying to visit all this mountain area, hilly areas as much as possible using my bike. Let's see how much I can cover. I have full trust on my KTM brakes. इसलिए even in rainy season, if I cruise at around 100 or 120 speed and if suddenly a truck comes up, I have full faith that it will stop. और वो भी बहुत it's increasing. Yay! I was talking about cruising, now it's raining. Wow. Shit. Oh fuck. Fuck. Shit, it's gone. My pants are gone. Legit gone. my god, it's raining like hell, man.
खड्डे में ना वे इधर बेल से इतना सारा खड्डा आ रहा था ना, इसका ट्रैक्शन ऑन हो जा रहा था, बंद हो जा रही थी।
अरे आपका कितना बार वो घस गया था? एक बार
ट्रैक्शन ऑन हो रहा था, बार बार बंद हो जा रही थी गाड़ी। वो पानी दिखा ना मेरे को, हाँ जिसके अंदर तो भगा के गाड़ी साफ होगा पूरा। ये 2-3 बार गाड़ी बंद हुई ट्रैक्शन से, फिर स्पोर्ट मोड में डाल के निकाला फिर मैं। ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल ही ऑफ कर देना। हाँ वही स्पोर्ट में ही ऑफ हो जाता।
ग्लव्स तो गया पूरा,
अंदर ही पानी चले गया भाई।
अरे क्या रहे, इधर रुक रहे हैं ना?
क्या मालूम भाई, और तड़का रहे इधर खड़ा करके।
ओह माय गॉड, ow. It was very rough before, man. So many potholes filled with water and we were trying to cross it. इतने सारे water crossings भी हो रहे थे. I mean, I'm 100% sure मेरा तो गया है, but देखते हैं।